Okay guys, so I'm about to embark on my most ambitious project yet. I want to turn this obstacle avoidance robot called Bob into an AI powered rover using this Raspberry Pi 5. Okay, so I was inspired by the GB Task project. You know, the one you see on Instagram that has like the funny personality, and also the Mars rovers, specifically the Curiosity rover and the Perseverance rover. So to be able to properly visualize how I want the rover to look like, I had to do some sketching. So far, this is what I've been able to cook up. As you can see, I've gone through like different iterations of like the design, and I've kind of settled with this one. I really like how it looks like. So basically, I wanted to have a screen that's going to be the face of the robot. This is what I'm going to like use to interact with it, and then an ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles so it doesn't like bump into stuff, and then a Raspberry Pi camera up top. This I'm going to use 2 servo motor for this, so I can like pan and tilt the camera in like 2 different ways, so like left, right, up, down. And then it's gonna have four wheels, as you can see in the intro. Most rovers usually have 6 wheels, but I only have 4 wheels. I can't be asked to buy another 2 wheels. I think it's also gonna be complex, so I'm gonna stick to 4 wheels. Okay, now let me tell you guys the main goals / features of this project that I want to achieve for it to be a success. So number 1, I want to be able to drive the robot manually, like a toy car, using a physical joystick, which I'll make, and a web-based control that I can use to control the robot and drive it and like view it through the camera while I'm away from home. And then number 2, I want to be able to talk to it like a chatbot. I want to be able to communicate with it, like how they communicate with GB Task. And number 3, I want to be able to see through the camera while like on my laptop or my phone. And then number 3, I want the robot to be able to understand its surroundings. So that's where the AI will come in. So I want it to be able to recognize my face and know me. And I want it to be able to like, when I tell it to come, it can come to me. And then like it can like navigate its surroundings. So I'm probably gonna have to like train it for that using the Raspberry Pi and like some AI. I don't know, but this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be like a new learning experience for me. So I'm really excited for it. So follow for part 2. It's gonna be a series. I'm gonna do multiple videos on this. So follow for part 2 and to follow along with the series if you want. I don't know. Bye.